using the critical thinking.
Yes.
And back to the goldfish as well, right? Saying, question to yourself and saying, yeah, this is what I see, do I believe everything I actually, see if it's on the TV, or it's on the computer, right? Or it's from your phone, the critical thinking aspect here is so important as well that we have that.
Yeah. And I think, it's something I'm very passionate about. My background as a psychologist is a little infuriating sometimes because when I see someone who doesn't have a lot of background talking about things that, whether intentionally or unintentionally, it's usually unintentionally kind of spreading misinformation, it's frustrating. And so I really feel strongly about, critical thinking and, have people really, when you're taking in new information, be able to assess it. Where is this coming from? Is it from a valid source? Is it from a actual study? Is it something someone made up, like the goldfish? Really being able to take in new information, assess it, and then be able to set aside the parts of it that may or may not be true, and then incorporate new information to change the way that we think. And I think that's an important part of critical thinking as well, is the ability to, when new information comes in that is different than we thought, to be able to adjust the way that we think. And that is very challenging because it does require a lot of humility on our parts to be able to do that. And I think we see, a lot of challenges with that in society today.
Yeah. No, it definitely. And it's an important skill to have. If you like Mind Innovation, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sannah Vinding and Mind Innovation on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And make sure to check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.